Let's discuss best car gadgets that will upgrade your vehicle. All gadgets links in comments and description. Let's start the video. Ginsco car cup holder trash can, designed for containing small garbage when on the road. This small trash bin is strategically shaped to slip perfectly into the car cup holders, under the center console or the door water bottle holders, where it will still be easily accessible but not an inconvenience whenever the driver is on the wheel. This is a leak-proof product with a spring-loaded lid and hence does not allow any smell to penetrate its container or trash to spoil the mood around the car. The set consists of 90 small trash bags and 2 hooks made of ABS for better organization of the car space. Moreover, it can be operated in your home, office, and even in the kitchen. On the positive side, it is relatively small and features a charming diamond cut style, which allows it to fit any car perfectly and can be easily cleaned with the help of a detachable cover. Nonetheless, the size could be a drawback in the sense that it would have to be emptied more often, particularly during long drives. Next, AX2V Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. This mini car vacuum cleaner is the perfect companion when it comes to maintaining the tidiness of your vehicle. In addition to being a car vacuum, this single product acts as the compressed air duster, keyboard cleaner, and a canned air spray blower to name but a few. Utilizing the HEPA as well as a metal filter, it removes particles of any size and type, keeping the air fresh without physical interaction. The slender shape and wireless format are convenient for navigating around a space, and the cleaning gel can be used for such difficult-to-access places as vents and computer keyboards. On the plus side, it arrives in a complete kit with different nozzles, brushes, and a bag for storage to let it be a perfect gift for car lovers. The dual suction modes and one-click dust removal make this a convenient cleaner, but the battery is just not going to hold up for long cleaning sessions. Next, Ontel Car Wash Cannon Foam Blaster Nozzle Gun, the perfect tool to bring professional car wash to the comfort of your own home. This new foam blaster connects to your garden hose and employs an advanced foam blasting technique to cover your car in a thick, soapy foam. For instance, you can be in a position to switch between foam and rinse, thus making it unnecessary to scrub with sponges or brushes, all thanks to the 5 available spray settings. The thick foam you get when washing has the ability to remove the dirt and grime that may be sticking on your car without any struggle. Washes off without leaving behind any sticky surface on your car. This is especially suitable for cleaning cars, trucks, boats, motorcycles, and many others, which makes it a great asset to add to your cleaning toolkit. On the flip side, it is very easy to use and does a great job of cleaning with little work involved, but it would not substitute a proper, thorough rinse for areas that are not easily accessed or surfaces that are greasy and dirty. Next, this compact and easy-to-assemble Snoopy car trunk organizer is the perfect invention for every busy driver out there. This backseat hanging organizer comes with 8 big bags, and there will be more than enough space for groceries, cleaning supplies, baby toys, emergency equipment, and much more. This model has a base made of nylon fabric, making it resistant to wear and tear. It has robust base plates and sturdy sidewalls to prevent objects from sliding off during a turn. It is easy to set up. Simply place it over the headrest using the buckle straps. And there you have it, a car free of unnecessary items. In addition, this means that it is easily portable because you can fold it when not using it. Convenient also. This has non-slip strips on the bottom, which means that it does not move around on the table. However, while it organizes nicely, it may not be ideal for cars with trunk space for extras as it is heavy. Next, SODIDE car cup holder tray, with 3 functionalities in one product that aims to provide consumers convenience and ease when eating on a car. An interesting device that can become popular among burger fans is an appropriate utensil with a 10-inch tray, allowing for an additional phone slot to watch videos while eating. An extra tray can be used on its own and can also be attached to the cup holder expander, which gives more storage space for your cups, keys, and even your purse. The rotary mechanism of this tray is unique and patented through a self-locking feature that secures it in the car's cup console more efficiently than other options, enhancing its stability. Also, it has a universal design and the base can be extended to suit different cup holders used in car, holding all types of bottles and mugs. Designed using advanced ABS material and a matte finish, it is strong and impact resistant, designed to endure. On the flip side, it is highly utilitarian and easy to install. Thus, it is perfect for enhancing the car meals experience. Next, WSGJHB Car Booster Seat Cushion, the perfect option for those people who require extra height and comfort in their cars. This portable and breathable mesh cushion can effectively enhance driver's field of vision by 12 centimeters or 7 inches, which is perfect for short drivers who require better visibility. Besides, it helps to improve your perspective, and because of its almost perfect design, it relieves pressure on your lower back, hips, and legs during long drives or working hours. Polyester is used as the filling material, and it boasts a premium quality, meaning it is soft while also able to provide firm support that does not compress easily. It is also flexible. You can use it as car seat cushion or workplace cushion or even home cushion. It comes with an inbuilt handle for portability and is ideal for most chairs since it measures 17 inches in length, width, and height at the shallowest point of 4. 7 inches. On the positive side, it is light in weight, easily movable from one place to another, and it helps to uphold a good posture. Next, Tevlaphee steering wheel lock, an anti-theft protection device that comes in handy every time you have to leave your car somewhere. This lock has the double protection system comprising of 4 locking hooks and twin bars, and thus provides a firm grip on the steering wheel. Constructed from alloy steel for durability, it is highly resistant to any attempts at theft from even the most persistent thieves. The brightness of this color will also serve as a big source of discouragement to any potential thieves from approaching your car. A model of discretion with a key lock system that enables you to lock and unlock the safe in the shortest time possible. It is a dependable and conspicuous signaling device that can be easily fitted and is compatible with a variety of cars. However, some users might find it a bit bulky, and the lock could be cumbersome to store when not in use. Next, TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel, a modern gadget in car washing that enables the user to clean all the corners. This rose-colored detailing putty is also good at removing dust, debris, crumbs, and even pet hair on the corners and seams of your car. Using the gel is very easy. Just apply it to affected areas by pressing it into all the crevices and watch how it sucks in all the debris. The gel remains effective until it turns dark in color, which is not only convenient but also economical for getting your car interior SAS microfiber clean. Furthermore, it has a cherry blossom scent which makes the cleaning delightful while using it. It is one and the same. In addition to the cars, use it on keyboards, remotes, and other robust surfaces found within your home or workplace. Next, AstroAI Cordless Tire Inflator Air Compressor, your reliable partner for safe and comfortable driving on the road. Characterized by overhead metal construction for power and flexibility, it is capable of inflating up to 4 tires to 160 psi within the shortest time possible. The Makita 20V rechargeable battery and the 12V car adapter guarantee you won't be left in the cold. And with the automatic shutoff and backlit LCD display, tire usage and maintenance is as straightforward as can be. It displays real-time and preset pressure values. The fast inflation capability indicates that a tire to the level of 30 psi can be filled in a standard 195/65/R15 tire within 4 minutes. And the 2000 mAh battery allows the inflating of several tires per charge. Also, it supports cars, bicycles, basketballs, or any other inflatable object, and has an integrated LED light for operating during the night. It is not ideal for large truck tires, and perhaps the noise level is slightly high at 80 dB. That's enough for today. Share your thoughts and comments about this video. Let's meet in these videos. Be happy and stay safe.